This quick video is about how to enable dark theme on Microsoft PowerPoint app on iPhone and iPads. Okay, let's see that. First, open PowerPoint app. Yeah, actually there is no dark theme option within the PowerPoint app, but you can use your iPhone or iPad inbuilt dark theme. Just swipe down here and turn on this dark mode. Yeah, now your PowerPoint app was completely changed into dark mode. Suppose if you can't see this option here, just close this and open setting. Then scroll down and open Control Center. Then under more controls you can see the option dark mode. You just need to touch this plus icon. Then it will be added on the Control Center like this. And if you want to know more tutorial videos about Microsoft apps means watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.